Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.
This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Cadillac STS. It features a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include direct injection, a navigation system, a remote start feature, a heated steering wheel, a low tire pressure indicator, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: cruise control, steering wheel controls, a rear parking aid, leather seats, variable valve timing, an illuminated passenger side vanity mirror, fog lamps, a traction control system, OnStar, and this vehicle has fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency does not take a backseat. To get your full assurance that this Cadillac meets expectations for mechanical conditioning and appearance, it has been put through a 117-point inspection and reconditioning process and comes with a 6-year, 100,000-mile limited fully transferable warranty with zero deductible, plus 24-hour roadside assistance. This Cadillac has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
At Sewell, our obsession with service extends to all of our customers, including pre-owned. Buying a pre-owned from Sewell means complimentary loan cars and washes for the life of your vehicle come standard. Let us show you what over a century of inspired service has taught us.